Layla and I are on a mission. What are we going to do?
We're gonna go get Dad a birthday present.
A birthday present. This is no simple task. Casey's love language is not gifts. He doesn't get very excited about gifts, so it's a little hard to pick something out for him because... Here's Rosie. She's okay. I just want to make sure Rosie's in back here. She's a little escape artist. Anyway, so he's never like overly excited unless it's something really thoughtful, which is sweet. Like I engraved a photo of us and gave it to him for Christmas and it was like his favorite thing. And I love that. But I do always want him to feel special on his birthday. Yeah, go grab the basketball. And so I've been trying to think of what we could do. Maybe like a spa day together because our anniversary is coming up, 20 years. And a spa day, which I think we will do. But
yeah, me and you should do it.
Me and you should do it? Okay, I like that idea. Wait, where's the ball? She runs into my car. Where's the ball? Can't you just walk and grab it? No. Okay.
Where's my leg?
Okay. I do always want him to feel special, like we're thinking of him. Obviously, that's what we all want to do on a birthday, right? And then I remembered, he told me the other day, I was talking to him, he was out in his shop, and he said, I think I want like one of those water coolers out here, you know, Culligan makes them. And I just thought of that and I was like, oh my gosh, let's go get one of those right this second. And I'm so excited. So we're gonna get the basketball taken care of, but just rolled away. And then we're gonna go get the water cooler. I'm really excited. I hope I picked the right one. I don't know. I'm just gonna go look at them. I did see some online and some of them have the tank on top and some of them have them on bottom. And I don't know which one will be better. So, holy cow. Let's park that over there where the bikes go. Hopefully he'll be as excited about it as I am right now. Because I really do think that he's gonna be excited. What in the world? We found one. I think it's a good one. Right when we got there, one of the ladies that worked there asked if we needed any help and I was like, yes, can you please help me find a water cooler? And do you have a favorite one? And she said, yes, I do. I have a couple of these ones. And so that worked out perfect. We didn't spend a bunch of time like wandering the store trying to find them and then wondering which one to buy. So it worked out perfectly. That's right back there. And we got a water bottle and now we're all set. And I'm so excited. What? This video will probably go up after Dad's birthday. Or maybe on Dad's birthday. And I don't know if he watches the vlogs. We're just back at the Home Depot for Gage's time. What are you doing for Dad for his birthday?
I'm gonna get like a bucket. I'm gonna fill it full of slime.
Stop it, he is not.
Like,
Casey,
Merry Christmas, or happy birthday, and dump it on him.
Casey has a wallet that he's had since I've known him. Yeah, so over 20 years. And over 23, oh my gosh. He's probably had it for 25 years, 25, 26 years. It's falling apart, it's awful. He even lost it over the winter once. Anyway, Gage just got some duct tape.
I got some red and black duct tape.
To fix it up.
Fix it up. I did it before, but it fell apart again.
That's a great birthday gift. Not so cute and thoughtful. But we did get here at 9:55. Home Depot closes at 10 o'clock. What time is it?
10
We were fast.
I bet it's like 10
I bet we weren't even 5 minutes.
Nope.
Just barely 10 o'clock. Oh, go us.
W.
We were in Walmart when we were like, there's no duct tape here. Let's go to Home Depot. So I'm impressed.
W Gage and Mom.
If you know Casey, you wouldn't be surprised that we're celebrating his birthday by him cooking dinner for our family. Thanks. It looks so good. Got some kebabs, some vegetable kebabs over there. I did go to a restaurant we would really like and I got some appetizers, just artichokes, but Casey made us a delicious dinner for his birthday. He makes the best chimichurri sauce.
Chimichurri.
Is that, how do you say it? Chimichurri? So good.
Do you put ranch in your vegetables?
I was just, these were left over from the kebab, so I was just, I love peppers so much. Hi, welcome to your nail appointment.
Really bougie.
It's really nice in here. What are you wanting done?
I'm thinking I'm gonna get some white almond nails.
White almond nails. Let's see these. These are
Look
cute.
how awesome these look after I just soaked them in acetone.
They're very grown out, but they were little cuties.
They were cute.
All right, we're gonna do white almond nails, and then you're next, my love.
Can we do like pointier almond instead of like round tips, like a little pointier?
Sure, whatever. Look, Layla, I brought up the colors so you can look through them. Layla's just putting on a pound of makeup. Let's see. White eyeliner?
Layla?
Here's white eyeliner.
I didn't use them a lot.
I chose not to use it at all.
What? Whoa.
Now you owe
What?
$20.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's fine. Rayleigh stole both of my lip liners, so.
I don't even use them. I started using that next one.
Oh, really? Okay.
So we can have them back.
All right. We set up this little nail desk in my craft room. Why haven't we done this before? I do not know. It's going to be
My
way
hand's always
less
like
awkward.
this.
Yeah, we're always like turned weird, and I'm always like, turn your hand. It's hurting my back. This is going to be a lot better. Okay, you pick out your colors. Layla does have a broken one, too. But that's okay.
I hate it.
I
I
know.
want nails to put on.
No, I'm not gluing nails on you. Sorry. You have to grow them back out.
These are my natural nails.
Yep. You guys have
That's
done a
kind of
good
gross to me.
job. You should soak again though, because now they've hardened again. Okay, we'll show you when they're done. Hopefully we'll remember. oh, they're so white. We did do a little like
A little shimmer.
This you can't see anything. It's like a little like shimmer on top. Listen, guys, before you look, they're a little messier on the cuticles, okay?
They'll come off.
Yeah, that will all come off.
So cute.
Cutie. So cute. Now it's Layla's turn. She's not doing white. She's doing
Watermelon colors.
green and pink. Whoa. You ready?
Can I know what you did?
What'd you say?
Can I know what you did?
What, you want to do white? Sure.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm into
Okay,
white.
boring. What'd you say?
I'm into white.
You're into white right now? Okay. Look at these long nails.
Hey guys. We are on our way to Woven. Woven is owned by Carly, if you guys didn't know. So she just has a little boutique store.
Super cute
basically.
clothes.
Super cute clothes, but we're just going down there to look at everything because they're having a big sale. This is from Woven also.
They're really cute things. If you haven't
Supporting.
checked it out, check it out.
Use code Brayley. Is it 20 or 30?
20.
Brayley
Kayli
20.
20.
No, Brayley
Or
20.
Kayli 20.
For 20% off.
Braylee found lots of things that will be perfect for summertime.
Oh, yeah.
All these things are
And
so
my
cute.
trip.
And perfect for her trip. That's gonna be
That's so cute.
so cute and nice.
Yeah.
And she has this like one piece on that will be really cute under it. Hurry, put it on, hurry. Okay, this is the cutest. I saw this online and I was like, that's so cute. It's even cuter. I always say this about stuff here. Even cuter in person.
Oh, yeah.
Which seems like it couldn't be, but
That's
it is.
so
That's
cute. I
really,
love it.
really cute. There were still some of these available, so you
Go get
should
some.
get one.
Look at my butt looks.
Oh my gosh, cute.
Cute.
This is the top Braylee wanted to come here for.
This
and
is
it
a main
really
reason
cute.
here.
Yeah.
This look like a swimsuit under. Oh my gosh.
I mean, with this outfit too. Like
Or
these-
like my tube
They
top.
have one of these too, these like one-piece rompers. That's
Yeah.
cute.
Love
really
it.
cute. Love it.
I kind of said a large.
Cutie. Really? No,
Yeah.
that looks good. It
It's a
still looks
medium.
like oversized.
It does.
Yeah, enough.
Okay. Cute.
This is the cutest color ever. Cute.
So I didn't have
love
this
it.
for the Barbie movie.
Oh yeah, dang. That's really cute.
So cute.
Take a deep breath. You're fine. Look how cute.
Breath in and out.
Oh, it didn't even.
You're so brave.
She's like, well, no, it doesn't feel good. You're chugging on. Well, it just gets stuck in the little crevice.
Oh yeah.
When you-
Oh, it's so cute. You didn't even flinch. That was cute as you're holding hands. She always needed her mama. Guess what we just did? We filmed 3 episodes for our podcast. Since Braylee's gonna be leaving, we wanted to stockpile and we did it! And it was so fun. After we got done filming, I was like, this is exactly what I wanted the podcast to be. It just felt like so good to talk and talk about different topics, and it was really fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I was like, maybe it's because Braylee doesn't have a billion things going on. I was always like, no, this is just supposed to be like enjoyable and fun.
And I could only think about the other things I needed to do,
Yeah.
but it was so good. Good thing we packed. My mom had to help me pack. So good thing we got that out of the way.
We just went through our suitcase. She just had too many things.
I'm still a little kid who needs my mom to help me pack.
Everyone needs help packing. We all pack too much.
Yeah.
And she wanted to just bring a small suitcase, and I was like, I bet you have too
Nothing
much in
fit,
there.
and it was really stressing me out, but
Got
now
it.
it's perfect.
Yay! And she even got a couple new things to take.
Oh yeah.
But Braylee hasn't eaten all day, so.
Look at my new piercing.
Oh yeah. Oh, we filmed it. Carly filmed it for
Yeah.
us. It's really cute. I love it.
I wanted a diamond, but it would be too like rigid, so we just did this little gold ball.
I really actually like it.
Yeah, it's cute.
I know you wish it was a diamond, but it's really cute. And it will be a diamond one day.
Yeah, it would be a little hoop.
Cute. So cute. Okay, let's go eat.
Yeah, it's 5:30.
5:30 and you haven't eaten today? Not good.
I drink a chai, which also makes my stomach upset. So
Does your stomach feel upset?
yeah,
Braylee's been really cutting gluten out of her diet and just trying to eat.
I've eaten
Clean?
so healthy except
Yeah.
for my chai. It was okay though. It was a little.
You hear
bit
my
itchy.
stomach?
Yeah, but that was a burp. We're gonna go make shrimp and rice.
Shrimp and rice, is that it?
Yeah, they make
Okie
it for me.
doke. Yes, I will. If you tell me how you want it. I don't know what
I
you
don't know how
want.
to cook shrimp.
Shrimp's easy. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll show you, but it's frozen, so.
Well,
That might
does it
not
sit
be
out?
quick, yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.